Now, we can see that this, if we were differentiating this, it looks like a classic, it looks like a bit of a classic product rule, doesn't it? But there is no product rule for integration. So we have to make a choice. Which one's the more complicated one? Yellow or green? Green. So you have a choice. You can make u equal to root x squared plus 1. Or technically speaking, x squared plus 1 to the power of a half. Is this a good idea? It won't be, because when you differentiate it, you're going to enter a chain rule scenario, and what you won't get, what you're looking for is, you're looking for x dx to get rid of it. Okay, so what we might do instead is, instead of including the square root sign, what will we do instead? Just leave the square root sign out, and look what happens now. Differentiate it this time. What you get? 2x, yeah? Bring the 2 down and the dx up, and you get a half du equals x dx, and there you found your target. That x dx is going to disappear now. So you can replace the yellow part, which is the x dx, you can replace that with a half du. You can also replace the green part with what? Square root of u. But the square root of u is what, guys? U to the power of a half. The half there, I'm going to put on the outside. Just don't have to deal with it at the moment, okay? So what happens when you integrate u to the power of a half? What do we get? Add 1 to the power. 3 over 2. Divided by the new power. 3 over 2 on the bottom, yeah? Or you could simply flip it, couldn't you? 2 over 3. I'm sort of happy to use up the half now, because what does the half do? What does the half do to it? Yeah, or a third, yeah? So I'll take a third. Right? I'm stuck here. Can't use these limits. Why? They're designed for x, not for u. So now I'll do a third, x squared plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. I use my limit root 15 and 0. So what do we get now? So if I'm being slightly lazy, that's going to be 15 plus 1, isn't it? So it's going to be a third, 16 to the power of 3 over 2. Second one's going to be minus a third. That's going to be 0, isn't it? So it's going to be a third, 1 to the power of 3 over 2. And 1 to the power of 3 over 2 is just 1, isn't it? Now, this one here, I think it's 64 over 3. And that would be 64 over 3, take away 1 over 3, which is 63 over 3, which is 21. Anybody else get that?